Every day, wild Florida disappears. More and more acres lost for good. What if all of it was gone? But here at D Ranch Preserve, we're protecting what matters most: our water, wildlife, and our wild places. The places that make Florida home. The D Ranch Nature Center isn't just a place. It's a promise, a gateway to wild Florida, a home for those that need it most. Right now, every dollar you give is doubled to help this center and protect what's left of wild Florida. Give today. Visit tomorrow. Protect forever.